This video demonstrates how to use the text reader. First, we switch to dark mode, as it is easier on the eyes. Next, we go to the text reader via the menu. Then we download an ebook from Gutenberg. There are also many books on archive.org. Choose any site you prefer. Then upload the file. It is already in German, so it does not need to be translated. Enter the title, although this is optional. After uploading, click Start Reading Text. Click on Next Page to skip the introduction of the text. Most words are shown in white and are already in our dictionary. Unknown words can be looked up using either the Quick Translate button or the more in-depth Explain Word option. Click the Translate Text button at the top to translate the whole page. To get a list of words with their translations, click Explain Words at the top. If you want to jump to a specific part, you can use the Go to Page field at the bottom. You can also perform a full text search next to it. To find specific pages later, click Add Bookmark. To see these pages, click on Bookmarks on the Book Overview page. On the Overview page, you can also edit or delete the text. The book will be automatically deleted 31 days after the last reading activity. If you have any problems uploading a book, please contact us.